Hello, welcome to our Rockwood Signature 8289WS. Beautifully maintained. This has got a Reese articulating hitch, so works well for short bed trucks if that's your need. Also comes with a receiving hitch. Once you come over, we've got two beautiful awnings with LED lighting above. But why don't you come inside and see this? So this Rockwood has enormous counter space and cabinet space. We've got a dual sink and a 3-burner stove. Then the fridge works on both propane and electric. This couch is very easily turned into a full-size bed. We have two Lazy Boy recliners that rock, very comfortable. Of course, you've got your 4-seated table. This leaf comes over. And then we've got, of course, your entertainment, large TV, electric fireplace. It will keep this space very nice and warm. It also comes with a cell phone booster to boost signals. Works with Verizon, may work with other carriers as well. Let's come on upstairs. This is control panel. And we've got dual batteries. We've got a battery monitor that's been upgraded here. We have two Maxx Air fans and two air conditioners. This also runs the propane heat. This runs an electric heat for the upstairs AC. And come on in. So a nice sized bathroom and shower. We've got upgraded shower head, and then when you look in the bedroom, lots of closet space, shelving, more closet space. This mattress has been upgraded, and of course, lots of storage under the bed.